become a part to this particular training and workshop which we have planned for 8 days. Before we leave, may I just request the forum that Center for Education Development Foundation is releasing the e-magazine, which we generally do it in a regular basis. In a hard copy, the magazine used to come quarterly, but this magazine is an e-magazine being launched today. So a big round of applause to the entire team, those who are doing this wonderful job. The name of the magazine is Touch Education. Everyone knows about it. This is exactly the magazine which will be showcased to you. It is being showcased now, and now this is directly live telecasted in Facebook and other medias also that we are launching this. Eminent speakers will be, they have written their very valuable articles, and we had a topic, happiness index in schools. So that was focusing, and what all the upcoming events we are going to take up, that is also mentioned in this work in the magazine. In the next magazine, which is coming in the month of July, will be blended education, the new normal. The topic, I would request all the educators, those who are listening to me, they can put up their views on this topic, blended education, the new normal, and we can bring up your article in the next episode of next magazine. We have exclusive on the NEP session. NEP session, we have completed the first episode of NEP last week, and we'll be coming up with the second episode, revisiting issues in schooling post NEP 2020. We'll be having 5 days topic, and where 25 speakers will be there, and where the keynote and co-keynote speakers from universities and other areas will be there to highlight those 25 topics which are based on school education. We have declared the Effective Global Leaders 2021, the iconic leaders of the month April. These 4 leaders, they have done a wonderful job in the field of education, specifically during this pandemic times. They have been the great leader performing or applying the best way of online teaching in the respective schools. These are the glimpses of Asia Pacific Excellence Awardees, which the physical event we had in the month of February at Goa, and almost 150 school leaders were awarded as Asia Pacific Excellence Award. A lot of education-based news, whatever related to present CBSE class 10 norms of evaluating or tabulating them, and the other areas related to school educations only are highlighted in this magazine. Regularly, we used to place it. We had last month virtual international conference, Edu Leadership Conference, where Secretary CBSE and Director Training Vishwajit Saha, Anurag Tripathi ji, and many other educationists from India and abroad, they have attended this international online conference. We had a topic written by G. Balasubramaniam, the former Director Academic CBSE, Mindfulness, a Catalyst to Well-being. There's a fantastic topic which we can go through it. I'll be sharing this one with all of you so that you can just have a look. It is going to help you to run the schools. Happiness Index in Schools, written by Alka Kapoor, Principal, Modern School, Delhi. Creating a Happy School, Mamrata Majhail. You held my hand when I needed the most. We have selected almost the best topics from the whatever we have received. The Dawn of a Century, the Happiness Index, the tricks and tips to increase happiness quotient in classrooms. A happy teacher makes a happy classroom. Ethical grounding for high quality learning. Blended learning, the practical approach to the new normal. These are few the best articles which have come up, and at last, our Shraddhanjali to the CED National Coordinator, Madam Dr. Anuradha Govind, whom we lost last week, and our prayers of Shraddhanjali to all the leaders, school educators, those who have lost their life due to this pandemic. And I sincere appeal to everyone, keep yourself very safe. Mask wearing, as everyone say, if at all it is required, please go out, and with that, with the mask itself you go. But better, if you don't have any work, you need to stay at home. Thank you very much, all of you. That was Touch Education, the Educators Magazine launch. Thank you for being with us in this launching session. Once again, I must thank on behalf of my entire team, Dr. Vasudha Nilmani, for this wonderful session. Thank you, ma'am. And all educators, thank you very much, and stay tuned. You need to practice all the things which we have spoken, which madam has guided you, 21 steps. And stay tuned, we will be back tomorrow. Tomorrow the session, again with another new sessions, 8 days. Topics are there, you need to be on that, and our session starts at 3:45, so stay tuned. Till then, with these, that you will be taking care of yourself very, very well. Thank you very much. Namaskar, all of you.
Namaskar, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.